going to learn about a tiny creature from the ocean that most people have never seen. But even though it is very small, it can cause serious trouble to humans. Its name is Anisakis. Anisakis is a small worm that lives in the sea. It is commonly found inside many fish and squid. For fish, this worm is a natural part of ocean life. It does not harm the fish much. But for humans, this tiny worm can be dangerous. The life of Anisakis begins deep in the ocean. Adult worms live inside the bodies of whales and dolphins. This animal releases the eggs of the worm into the seawater. The eggs hatch into tiny larvae. These tiny larvae are then eaten by very small sea creatures. Small fish eat those tiny creatures. Bigger fish eat the smaller fish. In this way, Anisakis slowly travel through the ocean food chain. Many popular seafood like mackerel, squid, herring, and sometimes even shark can carry this worm inside their bodies. The worm usually stays hidden inside the muscles or organs of the fish. Most of the time, we cannot see it with our eyes. Humans get infected only in one way, that is through food. When people eat raw fish or fish that is not cooked properly, the Anisakis worm can stay alive and enter the human body. This is how the problem begins. Once inside the stomach, the worm tries to bite into the stomach wall. This can cause sudden and very severe stomach pain. The person may also feel nausea and start vomiting. Some people may feel dizzy. Some may even develop strong allergic reaction like skin rashes and breathing problem. In serious cases, the pain becomes so strong the doctor must use medical cameras to look inside the stomach. They then carefully remove the worm. The condition is called anisakiasis. Even though the worm cannot grow full inside the human body, the damage it causes before dying can be very painful and dangerous. The good news is that infection is completely preventable. Anisakis cannot survive high heat. When fish is cooked properly, the worm dies instantly. Deep freezing the fish also kills the worm. That is why many countries that eat raw fish follow very strict freezing and safety rules before serving seafood. Around the world, Anisakis is an important food safety issue. The seafood industry takes special care to infest fish. Scientists continue to study this worm to understand how it spread and how climate change may affect its future. Anisakis is a natural part of ocean life. It is not evil, it follows the rules of nature. But when humans ignore food safety, this tiny worm becomes a serious health danger. So, the message is very clear. Always cook your fish properly. Never eat uncooked seafood. Safe food habits can protect your health. Anisakis is very small, but the problems it causes can be very big. Awareness is the best protection. Thank you for watching.